Hi guys, I think I can, all of you can see and hear me. If you can see and hear me, just type it in the comment box and I'll actually get started. Hope all of you can see and hear me. So let's get started, guys. Let's get started. I think you can actually see and hear me. So let's get started. Okay, let's actually get started with the trading rules. Very important. All the trading ideas, whatever I have been sharing with you, will always have with the technical breakouts. It will, based on that only, I'll be actually giving you the trades. I have done my own analysis, but I would always recommend you to do your own analysis. Take advice of any advisor whom you want to actually do any kind of advisement investment before actually doing any investment. All these ideas are purely for educational purposes. If you are doing for if you are trying to trade, then it is your at your discretion, it is at your own risk. All trading ideas will have stop loss, will have targets. Please ensure that once you are able to hit the stop loss or the targets, you need to move out of this. Is very, very important, guys. Please trade with the amount of money which you can afford to lose. Don't put all the money in one stock and actually trade and gamble. Always I give you 3 to 4 stocks, because you should actually diversify the risks. So if actually any of them hits the stop loss, also you have other things to look forward to. So please trade with the amount of money which you can afford to lose. Don't put all the money in one stock and actually trade and gamble. Always I give you 3 to 4 stocks, because you should actually Guys, I'm extremely sorry. There is some big issue with our internet service provider. There is a lot of issue which is happening currently. That is why there is a lot of frequent disconnection which is happening. So anyway, not an issue. I am trying to data connection. I hope now this. What I was actually trying to tell you is it's very important for you to actually take your own risk. Now let's actually get started. Be able to share with you, because I'm actually doing it on give you the levels, and actually we are actually looking at in the previous trades, whatever I have actually shared with you, SJVN actually is not getting any momentum, so you can move out of that. Other than that, actually, JSW Energy, Biocon actually gave us all the targets. IRB actually gave us the first target, and then actually, due to the volatility, a lot of actually stop losses have got hit. Wipro hit all the target. Today we are not going to actually hold 270, which is very sorry 670, which is very important. If we cannot actually close above that, then it is the other counters which had actually shared with you yesterday, Power Grid, Vedanta, JSW, all of them have hit the first targets. So let's actually move to today's trading idea is going to see what is happening is the market. There is a oversold kind of a situation, and bank nifties, banking stocks are I'll be actually sharing with you the levels. I'll actually put it in the comment box also, and I'll share it in the group also, so that it is very easy. The challenge right now is, since you are not able to see the screen, I am actually sharing you the whole details. So the first thing is about ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank, the levels which we are looking at is 371 to 373. This is the level at which we are looking at buying, and the stop loss has to be below 370. and the targets we are looking is 375, 378, and 380. These are the levels which we are looking. A week time, generally for all buying, we always look at least a week time. But if we are not getting any momentum within the first 2 or 3 days, it is better for us to move out of that. It's very important for you to follow these rules. So I'll repeat this because you are not able to see the screen. ICICI Bank 371 to 373 is the buying price, 370 is the stop loss, 375, 378, 380 are the levels which we can actually look for. Nifty actually is looking like we can as long as we can hold today 11,400, we should be moving towards 11,500, 550, and 11,550 is actually going to act again as a very important resistance until unless we cannot actually close above that at least for 2 consecutive days. It is risky at that place. Actually, there's a lot of selling pressure which is there. The second call is going to be with Axis Bank. Axis Bank, the buying level is 438 to 440. So it has already moved quite a lot, but at this level, it is still ideal to buy. 438 to 440 could be the stop loss on the closing basis. 445, 450, and 460 are the levels which we are looking for Axis Bank. So I'll repeat again. For Axis Bank, 438 to 440 is the price at which we are looking at buying. Below 435 is the stop loss. 445 buy call for today is going to be for Bharti Airtel. Most of these stocks, whatever I'm recommending you, all of them have actually started giving some amount of reversal, which actually shows that the selling pressure probably is over for these stocks. The buy for Bharti Airtel, 501 to 503 is the level at which we are looking for buying. If it cannot close above 500, then it is not ideal to keep this. And 505, 508, 510 could be the targets which we are looking at. If Bharti Airtel closes above 535, then actually the momentum could be much more stronger. Till actually 535, it may actually be in range. The next buy call is 286 could be the buying level, and below 285 you can keep a stop loss. 290, 295, 298, these are the levels which we are looking. Tata Chemicals is definitely a very good stock. The only challenge is actually there is a lot of actually selling pressure which came, and we have corrected quite a lot. I think yesterday we have seen a reversal signal which shows that probably the selling pressure is over. 285, 286 is the level of buying. Below 285 you need to keep the stop loss. 290, 295, 298 is actually the levels which we are looking. And the final buy call is going to be of Tata Motors. 141, 140 to 141 could be the buy prices. Below 140 you can keep the stop loss. 143, 145, 148 could be the levels which you can look for. This is actually all of the stocks are for a week time. So if you have any doubts, you can actually leave it in the comment box and I'll actually reply back to you. Sorry for all the inconvenience from the last 2 3 days. There has been some issue with our internet service provider. As I've told you earlier, in the place where I am, actually there is no other option but only one internet service provider is there, and they have been facing a lot of disconnections which are happening from the last 2 days. You this which are fast happening. Right now, I'm doing mobile data works fine. Sometimes this also has an issue. So hopefully everything is gone fine. Thank you guys. You leave all your questions in the comment box and I'll reply back to you. Thank you very much. Have a great day.